I put it in the backpack. It's on the bench. All right, I'm recording him. So if you can get him too. I'm using the video camera.
Go, Shelly. Go, Shelly, go. Go, Shelly.
Hey, Hannah, want to do this?
I think he also sees all the other kids who are running around.
Go. Let's go. Johnny. He did the water where he just went like around this way.
Shawnee boy.
Let's go.
1, 2. Oh! That was a good try.
Good try. Let's go.
Yeah. Ooh.
When he touches the ground, he goes, oh.
It's hot, yeah.
Because he doesn't even want to crawl on that thing. Let's go.
Oh. Good job, Shadi.
Let's go. Let's go, Shadi.
He's so happy.
I don't know.
Oh, tree? Tree? The tree. He's like, I love it. He just points at nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot, yeah. Hi, Shawnee. Hi. Oh, poor thing. Aww.